In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an image in Shopify, a skill you'll find incredibly useful when managing your online store. Whether you're a seasoned e-commerce pro or just starting out, adding images to your Shopify products is a crucial part of making your store visually appealing and effective. To begin, navigate to your Shopify admin page. From here, our first step is to click on the Products section. This is where all your products will eventually be listed, and you'll find the tools you need to both add new products and manage existing ones. Once you're in the Products section, you'll see an Add Product button. Click on this to start creating your new product listing. With the product creation page open, you're faced with a blank canvas for your new product. One of the most important steps in setting up this new product is to add media, as high-quality images are key in attracting customers. To do this, look for the Media section on the product page and then click on Upload New. This is your portal to upload images that will showcase your product in the best possible light. Make sure the images you upload are high quality and properly formatted. Shopify accepts JPG, PNG, and GIF formats for product images, so ensure your files are compatible. It's also a good idea to rename your image files with descriptive terms related to your products before uploading them. This helps with SEO and makes your files easier to manage. As you select your files, remember that multiple images can lend different perspectives on your product, highlighting various features or angles, so don't hesitate to upload a few shots to give your customers a comprehensive view. After your images are uploaded and visible on the product page, the next step is filling out the essential details about your product. This includes adding a compelling title, setting the right price, and completing other sections such as SKU, description, and inventory details. Remember, the more descriptive and accurate the information, the better your customers will understand what you're offering, increasing the likelihood of a sale. Once you've thoroughly filled out the necessary fields, it's crucial to save your progress. Look for the Save button, typically at the top or bottom of the page, and click it to ensure that all your work, including your uploaded images and product details, is stored securely. It's always a good habit to save frequently to avoid losing any information due to unexpected interruptions. And there you have it, a straightforward process to upload images into Shopify and set up your product page. Regularly reviewing and updating product images and information can keep your store looking fresh and professional. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating an engaging and visually appealing online store. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck with your Shopify journey.